bathroom during my time? So sorry. I'm 10 minutes behind in math. Eduardo, I'm sorry, it's going. It's on page 398.
It's okay, you can do it.
Thank you. What?
Yeah, I can do it.
Where's the, yes, oh, it's right there. Thank you. What?
I have
She's sipping from my head and I told her I could touch
So you gave it a go.
Okay, stop. Right now. Thank you. Let's take a look at it. The very first one, for those of you who didn't turn it in. It looks like that. There's a red, there's a blue, there's a yellow, there's a green. It says how many possible outcomes are there for each spin? Outcomes are results, so it is not a fraction. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 outcomes. Question 2. How many possible outcomes are there for 2 spins?
Rather for 4 out of 4.
Oh, time.
8 outcomes.
16.
Oh, what? Oh, I got. I